Hey, what's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And today I want to talk about how to succeed with affiliate marketing in 2020. A lot has changed over the past few years when it comes to affiliate marketing, when it comes to making money with affiliate marketing. I want to address the differences and the tweaks that I've made in my own affiliate marketing business so you can make them in your affiliate marketing business as well. So if you're looking forward to the video, make sure that you make sure that you subscribe to the channel because I'm uploading videos pretty frequently teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And most importantly, don't forget to tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So you guys have probably noticed over the past little while, I haven't been uploading quite as frequently. And it's because I've been trying to scale my affiliate marketing business. For quite a long time, my income has been determined by how many videos I upload on YouTube. And I didn't want to have to be the person that had to constantly create new content, constantly put myself out there to scale my business. And I got really good at YouTube marketing. I mean, for the past 5 to 6 years, I've been doing YouTube and it's made me a lot of money. It's made me a multiple 7-figure income up to this point. But there comes a time where you get burnt out from doing the same thing over and over again, from teaching the same thing many different ways. You feel like you start repeating yourself and you start to, branch out and test different things, whether it be Facebook ads, whether it be solo ads, it be YouTube ads, which has finally helped me get to that point and achieve scale. So when you're building your affiliate marketing business, you have to realize that you're going to be building it with either your time or your money. It's always going to be one of those two. And you have to determine your poison. You have to determine, let me kind of sit down here. The arm's getting a little tired. You have to determine what strategy you're going to pick. And in the beginning, a lot of people, they don't have the money to invest into paid marketing. So your only choice is to start with free advertising strategies, AKA build a brand. And that consists of putting out content over a long period of time and not getting instant gratification. You might make your first few sales in your first few weeks. And there's going to be times where you're making no money at all because you're building that strong foundation, you're building that base. And that's what I did when I was starting out with YouTube. My first 90 days, I got just a handful of sales. But then after that, I was getting about 3 to 4 sales a day inside of my business because I understood how free traffic strategies work. I understood the expectation. I knew it was gonna work. I didn't know exactly when it was going to work, right? And it can be different for everybody. But all I knew is that there was going to be a time where people didn't take me seriously, where people weren't seeing my videos. But the more content that I put out, the more chances I had to get traffic, to get views, and to get sales. So I knew it really just came down to a numbers game. So what did I do? I became incredibly consistent because I didn't have a lot of time, or I didn't have a lot of money. I was negative $16,000 in my bank account. I just took out a payday loan that I think was like a few 100% in interest over the year. And I had to pay that back. I used that money to invest into training, into my first high ticket affiliate marketing opportunity. And so my chips were all in on the table. So since I didn't have a lot of money and I had a lot of time, I implemented YouTube. Now, it doesn't mean that you need to necessarily do YouTube. You can do Facebook free strategies. You can turn your profile into a profit producing machine. You can go inside of Facebook groups and give value and drive traffic that way. You can use Pinterest. You can go into forums. You can start a blog. There's many different ways. I'm just sharing with you the way that I got started. So you need to understand that first and foremost, because there's a lot of people that come to me. They have a lot of time. They don't have a lot of money, but they don't know how to drive free traffic effectively. So therefore, they need to educate themselves and purchase a product to where they can learn free traffic strategies. So regardless of where you start, you're going to want some money to invest, whether that be in my programs or whether that be in somebody else's programs. That doesn't matter. What matters is the importance of when you're starting your business to have a little bit of money set aside. Doesn't have to be a lot, to invest into a mentor and invest into learning the free traffic strategies. Now you can go out there on YouTube and you can find a lot of free tutorials that will help you get started. I've got a ton of free tutorials on my channel that teach you specifically YouTube marketing. There's probably other tutorials out there that will teach Facebook and other marketing strategies. So when in doubt, you have zero money to your name, but you have a will and you're willing to go out there and be consistent and persistent and put out content on a daily basis, you can do that. And you can get started with little to no investment whatsoever. All you need is a voice, a smartphone, or a computer, even a mobile phone. Heck, if you want it bad enough, you could probably figure out how to set up a blog on a mobile phone and type from your phone. It's going to take a lot more time, but still, it's better than doing absolutely nothing and staying where you're at, completely broke. Okay, so understanding the expectations of free traffic strategies is huge. It's going to take time. It's going to take effort. Make sure that in your first, 6 months to a year, that you're just putting out content. You're just putting out goodwill, because your income is going to be in direct proportion to how much value that you give to the marketplace. And it eventually catches up with yourself. So if you spend the first 2-3 months really hustling hard, putting out a lot of value, you might make a few hundred, maybe a few $1,000s. But then 4 or 5, 6 months into building your business, you're going to start to reap the rewards of the free traffic strategies that you're implementing in that first 3 months. You'll jump to like $6,000 a month. You'll jump to $10,000 a month. And as a matter of fact, I want to give a shout out to one of our students that we coached over the course of the past while, Evan and Eugene Wong. Now, we're not going to take full credit from this, but I saw Evan and Eugene grow from 0 to having no influence, no list. They went through a few of our programs as well as some other programs out there online, and they were able to make $10,000 in one single month, which is incredible. And they started off by doing free traffic strategies and then eventually scaling to paid, okay? So first order of business, figure out where you're at. Figure out if you have money. If you don't have money, obviously if you don't have money, free traffic strategies, know the expectation. If you do have some money, this is what I would suggest that you do. I would suggest that you start with a paid traffic strategy that you can really dedicate a lot of time to mastering. Again, I'm not going to tell you exactly what to do because you might be better with the written word, and Facebook advertising might be good for you. Obviously, you can still do videos on Facebook, but that's a good place to start if you don't have a lot of influence or don't want to be on camera. But you're not going to know if you're good on camera unless you give it a try. Literally go out there and shoot 20 videos. If you start improving, there's a chance you're probably pretty good on video. Okay, so you can do Facebook ads if you want to use the written word. If you like to be on camera, don't mind being on camera, you could do YouTube ads, which is what I did. I started implementing YouTube ads at the end of last year seriously, and I ran a few different tests with affiliate offers. And what had happened is I started realizing that it was very hard to scale an affiliate marketing business with just promoting the affiliate marketing product on the front end, whether you got a capture page, whether you're using a bridge page, no matter what, if you're promoting a product that's right around, that's low ticket, for example, usually you always want to promote a lower ticket product on the front end, especially to people that don't know you whatsoever. The problem is you spend twice as much as what you make back. So typically I would spend $100 to make 50, and I'd be negative $50 in the hole. And then I would have to wait a few months to build a relationship with that prospect that initially bought to get them to buy other things to hope that I get into profit, which is a huge problem, especially for people that want to scale. And so then they're at this beck and call of doing free traffic strategies, which again are not bad, but it depends on where you're at in your business. After doing this for 5 years, free traffic strategies, I got burnt out. I'm like, I need to find a different way to scale my business so it's not just reliant on YouTube organic. So I'm not putting all my eggs in one basket. So what I decided to do, I'm like, okay, I went through a few YouTube videos, which is crazy. I mean, how resourceful you can be with YouTube. And I came across a video of a guy speaking at a conference in Barcelona. And he was talking about the importance of having a front-end offer in front of the affiliate offer that you're promoting, like your own offer, which was funny because at the time, and this was only about a month ago, at the time I already had my own front-end offer. But it really helped me see my business from a bigger perspective, that my business was just not one affiliate product. My business was the system around that affiliate product. In other words, you should have a front-end product that's your own product that complements the affiliate product that you're promoting, that also sets you up to promote other affiliate products within an ecosystem. So for example, maybe you would have like a $27 offer in front of another offer. So in this case, I think he used the example of these certain types of flowers that you can actually purchase online. They come in obviously a pot, and you can plant these flowers in your backyard. And there was like a free report, or not a free report, I'm sorry, a paid report that he put in front of that offer saying, here's how you treat these types of flowers. And so it was very congruent. So you got this guy that showed you how to treat these flowers. And then you got obviously access to, the ability to buy the actual flowers. So the front end offer was congruent with the main offer, which was the actual flowers. And then there was a Facebook community behind that. So when people would go into the Facebook community and also on the email list, then they had the ability to promote different tools that would help you, treat the flowers, that would help you plant the flowers, that, would help you with your gardening experience as a whole, right? So your business is not just one product. It's many products behind it. And so when I realized this, I'm like, okay, I'm going to create a front-end product in front of my affiliate products that I promote on the back end, along with the other products that I have as well. And in the month of March, I was able to spend roughly $23,000 and make back $23,000, which means I created a buyer list of people that were buyers, and I generated those leads for 100% free. So any other offer that I promote on the back end of my marketing, just like in the flower example, is 100% pure profit. And that alleviates me of doing these free traffic strategies like YouTube that I was doing for so long. Now I don't have to be so reliant upon that, which is why I'm not uploading quite as often. And I could be more reliant on paid advertising. Now, the important thing always in your business is to make sure that you're doing more with less. Think about how you could do more with less. Working harder is not the solution typically. Typically, you need to look at your business and say, okay, where am I making the most money and what activities am I doing? And what can I change within those activities that will minimize my effort and maximize my profit? So I told myself I'm still going to upload YouTube videos, but I'm not going to put all my eggs in that basket. I need to diversify with paid advertising. And I did that. And so now I've been able to scale my business. This month, we've done over $70,000 in gross revenue, which is, I believe, the biggest month that I've had up to this point. And it's only, I think, the 21st of April. And it's because I've finally been able to do more with less. And it's because I've finally been able to scale my business in a way that I enjoy and understand my business from a whole entire different perspective. So I want you to use this as a tool for your business. Maybe you're doing some things that aren't paying you what you're worth. Maybe you've been doing free traffic strategies for a while and you're kind of burnt out and you need to start to master another skill. That's a sign you need to start to master another skill. Maybe you're somebody that's at the beginning stages of your business to where you don't have a lot of money, like I said, then you obviously aren't going to relate with where I'm at inside of my business. And so you want to continue to implement and become consistent with those free traffic strategies until you're at a point where you have some money that you can start testing on your own front end offers, that you can start testing on, affiliate offers. But I wouldn't recommend, unless it's some rare cases, that you use paid advertising and link directly to an affiliate product, because you're going to lose money on the front end in hopes that you make money on the back end. So to alleviate that risk, have your own product on the front end that leads to somebody else's product. And then through email follow-up, through a Facebook group membership, you can even charge for the membership, the Facebook membership, you can start to sell other different products that help people get to that end goal in that specific niche. So hope you got value from this video. Covered quite a bit. If you did, give me a like, comment below. If you have any questions relating to this, I know a lot of people are probably going to be like, well, what type of offer do I create? And you might not be at that point because it's going to require that you learn some copywriting skills, you learn how to create funnels. You might not be at that point, but if you are, go out and implement what I taught you in this video. It's going to change your business. And if you're somebody that doesn't want to have to do any of this, but you want to be able to have your own front-end offer, I'm actually giving people the ability to relicense my front-end offer and pass it off as their own and earn 100% commissions. If this is something that you want to do, you like the sound of this, click the link in the description below to learn more. Again, hope you got value. Like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to tick that bell icon for all future videos, and we'll see you in the next video.